Now I ordered the F380. That comes with a 25-inch bar. So that should be in the mail. I just got a notification, so we're going to go check it out, see if it actually came.
We're going to have to do this one. This is my first look at this unit. On pictures, it looks very similar to the 660. So that's kind of what I'm expecting here. The 660 we're doing too. And really cool. This is for farmmac and by the way. I ordered it off Amazon. It came from Ontario, it looks like. So let's get it figured out.
Alright, cool. I'm going to set you up over there. Instruction manual, booklet. That's per the use, just pretty regular. With any item you get, you should have an instruction manual. I love the toolkit right off the bat. I love the toolkit. I'm always looking for a place to keep my scrunches and stuff like that. Let's see what's got inside. Looks like piston rings, gauges. Yeah, so we can know what size file to use. Gauges. That's for our chain. Solid. I love this. Oh, solid. I love this. This is great. There's a scrunch. There's a spare screws. Okay, so far this is looking very similar to the 660, and this is what I need right here. I needed one of these tools for several of my other chainsaws. That's going to be great. I see the tools in there. One set of dogs. I'll definitely be wanting more than this. I'll definitely be ordering dogs online. Cool. I like it. I like it so far. So yeah, a farmmac bag there. Pretty decent. Another one of these. I got one from the Holst Pharma guys. Yeah, shows everything. A little mixing pot. People who are familiar with chainsaws, they're familiar with using these. Easy mixing. Now let's get to it here. Of course, little bar cover. That's pretty small. I hope my bar is bigger than that. Wow, that's a nice saw. Right off the bat, I really like the look of this. Choke, throttle works nice. F380W from farmmac. My adjuster screws here, my carburetor. High-low, idle. Oh yeah, this is going to be more of my firewood saw. So when I'm going out cutting the trees, that's going to be a lot of what I'm using this for. Look at that. It is a beast of a saw. Alright, let's get the bar put on her and see what she looks like. It seems nice. So far I like it. A lot of compression when I'm pulling the rope. But there we have it, the farmmac. Got the farmmac bar and chain on it. Let's go see if we can get some oil and stuff into this bugger and see if I can fire it up. Alright, so I'm back out here in the workshop storage area. Did a couple quick little cuts there for the camera. I did cut up a little bit more wood. Other than that, I think this thing goes like hell. It's got a lot of power. you'll see at one point I kind of touch another log and it kicks up a little bit. You know, that's kind of regular with these saws. There's always a lot of kickback to be careful of. But I like it. I think it's a good saw. It's for me, it was a good price. I got it on Amazon. Turns out to be pretty nice here. It's got a lot of power. It goes hard. And that was yeah, just unboxing the F380W from farmmac, giving it a bit of a test run. And on all my saws, we'll keep them updated.